going to be replacing a set of headlights on a 2000 Dodge Caravan. Got these off eBay for like $70 some, I think it was. I could have cleaned them, but it's just easy just to replace them. So I'm gonna get some tools and we'll see what kind of job this is, because I ain't never did it. Best I can tell, there's a boat right there and the light ain't helping y'all a bit. I'll show you on these lights. Got a boat there, one there, and one here, and one right there that I gotta try to get off. Yeah, that's all. Ain't nothing to it. Just pull them boats out. There's one there, and one up here at the top. And that's all it is to it. Piece of cake putting them in. Before and after. That should really make it where we can see at nighttime. Thank y'all for watching.